Hi everyone, welcome back to the Excel Visual Basic Editor video. So we were discussing about the video visual Excel Visual Editor. So now let's go into a little bit different ways on how we can use it. So basically, whenever the ground rule here is from now on, we are going to insert a module whenever we start a new project to write the codes. Just to be clear, while we are learning, we will just stick to this platform. It will be easier and much better for me to guide you to start writing the Excel VBA code. So now, so there are a few things we should know. So whenever we are trying to write a code and we want to reference a sheet, there are two names with it. One of them is the I'll call it as the Excel generated name, and the second one is nothing but what we see in our window. So let's say, for example, I will change sheet 1 name to uh, let's say hello, and you will see that the editor in the brackets starts changing to hello, right? So whatever I change outside, whatever is within the brackets is basically what we see. This is one good way to relate to which object you are trying to point to and understand where you are starting to write your code. Now, similarly, I can use sheet 1 or I can use hello. Both of them are a little way different in using them. So for example, I have shown you here, I can use sheet sample. Let's go back there and change this to sample, right? To just match our description there. So I can say sheet sample range A1 is equal to this thing, 5, which would not put 5 value here. So let's give it a simple try. So sub first try, I will say sheets. Don't worry about this sub and all that, I will be explaining them in a thing, but just give you an example of how we are going to use it. So range A1 is equal to 5. So if I run this code, you will see that the 5 value is placed within here. Also, I can write the same code in a much different format. That is, I can say sheet 1 dot range is equal to 10. This time let me put it in a second cell so as to get the difference. So if I run it, you will see that the values that I get is within this value. So both of them actually are the same, but the way we reference them, each of them is a little different. I use sheet 1 while I'm writing it without any brackets or without the name that the user sees, and if I use the name, I need to mention sheets with an S and then write the name of the sheet that I see along with the same. So basically it's please remember this concept very thoroughly, because in future we are going to use them very often to write our codes. Thank you for watching this video. Uh, as an as an when we move forward in the Excel VBA classes, you will see that I will explain you much more better things about the platform. As of now, this much knowledge is good for us to start writing the codes.